Hi guys, I'm Laney Cook, a senior here at Northwestern Oklahoma State University, and I want to talk to y'all about travel. Personally, I love traveling to big cities and the pretty beaches, but today we'll start out with something in the opposite direction. We're going to take a look at what good old Alva has to offer for us over here. The eating and dining options are limited, but we've got some killer food here to make up for it. So we're going to start out by talking about the Cookies Bowl and Cafe. They've got breakfast foods, they've got pancakes, they've got lunch foods and dinner foods. And personally, my favorite is their breakfast. I love pancakes. I've always loved pancakes since I was little. And I get that and their eggs and their hash browns and some bacon. And all of that is about $10 to $13 at the end of it, so it's really not bad, and it's pretty, decently priced and everything. And then if you don't even want to go and eat, you can also go bowling over there, and they allow you to bring ice chests, and, you can bring your own food and drinks in there and everything. So it's really nice, and they've got about 10 lanes, I think, so you can get, a pretty decent, game of bowling going on. But after all of that, there's definitely some people that don't like the place, but it was kind of hard finding some reviews that were kind of against them. But on a restaurant review app, I found someone that left a 1 out of 5 star review saying a local college student recommended as the best place to eat in Alva. I ordered the BLT and American fries. At around $11, I expected a bit more than 1 strip of bacon and a half a slice of tomato. The amount of lettuce was so insignificant, I can't recall if there was even any on the sandwich. The American fries were cut much too thick and not cooked long enough to get a nice crisp. I might as well have ordered a baked potato. So I've never gotten the BLT, but I can see why they would be a little upset just getting 1 strip of bacon and a couple of pieces of lettuce. But I can't ever say they've disappointed me like that, so I'm going to continue to go. But with there being people that didn't like it, there is definitely people that are still, woo, let's go, just as I am. And there was a girl named Audrey P., and she left a 5 out of 5 star review on the same website back in October of 2019 stating, good prices for their awesome food. Waitresses were very attentive and sweet. I got the 2 pancake, 2 egg, and enjoyed it very much. Great place to stop when traveling. So, see, she much agrees with the breakfast. The pancakes are the place to go. I'm going to stick with that. But so all in all, if you didn't know about this little cafe of greatness and my choice, then now you do. So go check it out and let us know down in the comments what you think about it and everything. So thank you for coming into watching my show and everything. This is episode 1, and next week at Wednesday at 6, we'll be going on for episode 2. Thanks for tuning in.